guess with you, so you're very lucky. We've got Jeffrey and we've got Josh. Alright, so Roman numerals. What does that mean? So basically, guys, this is like old-fashioned language that can represent numbers like we have today. Okay, so I, for instance, used to mean the number 1, so it used to equal 1, okay? So, and then X, a bit bigger number, that used to equal 10. And then a little bit smaller was V, which is in between these two, and that used to equal 5. Okay, so, Jeffrey, what does V equal in the Roman numerals?
5.
Very good, well done. Okay, now, very good. Okay, and what about X? What does that equal in Roman numerals?
2, 5,
Oh,
10.
Yes, very good. Okay, and then I. Okay, what about this, Josh? I, what does that equal in Roman numerals?
1.
Very good. If I take these away though, okay, now what does that equal? So what does X equal in Roman numerals?
10.
Very good. And then V, what does that equal?
5.
Very good. And then I?
2. 1.
Oh, well, there you go. All right, so we're going to add another one into the mix, okay? So if I said L now, L equals 50. Really good. And then another one just at the top to add, M equals 1,000. So it's a big number, okay? So L is a 50 and M is 1,000. Right, I'm going to rub this out and we're going to do like a little point system and see if you viewers at home can beat these guys to answer it as well. Alright, so this one, Jeffrey, this one side is Josh. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1. What side? No, what side?
1.
Very good, okay, 1 point to you. Alright, I'm going to give you another one. What is V?
V hammer.
What is it?
V equals 5.
Very good, okay. What is X?
V hammer. 10.
Very good. Okay, and then what is a bit about it? L. L, what's L?
50.
Yeah, really good. Okay, and then the final one was M. What's your? Well done. High five. Alright, thank you very much for watching another video tutorial here today. We've got our main guest and they're going to say bye to you viewers now.
Bye.
Alright, see you at the next video. Have a great rest of the day.
Bye.